Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by Pete's Garage. Now this is the coolest thing a company has ever sent me to try out. This is the Akaso V50 Elite action camera that's actually voice controlled. Now I remember when I was a kid, we used to go through comic books and in the back there'd be all kinds of ads for all kinds of things you could order, like mini sea people, which were like brine shrimp, or you could get X-ray glasses. If you remember, you hold your hand up and you could see through your hand with these X-ray glasses. And there was also an ad for a little spy camera. And I actually bought one of those things, and guess what? It never worked. They're all a ripoff, right? But it was about this size. This thing is incredible what it does. This thing is better than most cameras I've ever owned. It is better. It's better than every camera I've ever owned. Not only that, it's voice controlled. I want to show you what this thing does. This thing is really, really incredible. And I'll have a link to it in the description of this video, and you can get 20% off from Pete's Garage. You click on the link and get 20% off one of these things. This thing is awesome. The back is a 2-inch display touchscreen with 4K definition. It takes video in both 4K and 2.7K. It takes high definition pictures from 8 to 20 megapixels in JPG format. It comes with two 1050 mAh rechargeable batteries. It comes with a huge assortment of mounting brackets and accessories. It comes with this waterproof case that's good up to 131 feet. And for everybody who's interested in action, whatever you want to drive, actually you can do it anything. Driving, skateboarding, surfing, anything you do activity, it's got this remote. Remote you put on your wrist. And when you want to start the camera, you can voice activate it by saying action video or action photo. And you can program this thing for all the functions on the camera to take pictures and video, whatever you want, just by talking into the remote. Now, how cool is that? Let's go see what kind of cool video we can capture. All right, I'm a car guy, not a skateboarder. Got this case. Just take the camera, put it in the case. Close it up. Okay, see how it works underwater. It has features like a lot of high-end cameras. You have Wi-Fi, direct to internet. You can do metering, spot metering, all kinds of scenery, different sepia, black and white, does all that stuff. You have slow motion video, so you can slow down your video. You can do fast motion, time lapse overnight video. It's incredible what this thing does. Check out the link, click on it, read about this thing. It really does a lot of great stuff. Get your 20% off. And this is going to be great for working on cars, for like when I got to reach up behind a dashboard, take a picture, see what's wrong, or I'm trying to work on something and I want to close a door and I need some video to see what's going on inside. This thing is so small. I mean, look at that, right in the palm of your hand. Awesome. Awesome thing. Check it out. Get your 20% off. Thanks for stopping by Pete's Garage.